What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Thor from the Avengers. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw the upper eyelid. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side and draw a curve that goes up and we'll bend that out. Let's line this up over on the right side and do the same thing. Pulling this up and bending that out. Let's go back to the inside of the brow. I'm just going to curve this in and up with a short line. And then we'll taper the eyebrows to a point on the outside. So we'll go up and then out. Now from here we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyebrow. On the outside, let's step in and draw a circle. Go all the way around towards the bottom. And just pull that up towards the inside corner of the eyebrow. Now you want to draw a smaller circle in the center. So from the top left, we'll step in, just trace the eye going all the way around, and then up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye, going all the way around inside the pupil. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupil. Now from here we're going to line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw on the nose. So we'll start on the left, curve the nose coming down, and then bend that up. Let's step up and draw a short curve going across the top of the nose. Let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We'll start over on the left, come down the middle, and then up. And then on the ends, draw a short angled line coming down towards the corner of the mouth. And it'll close off the bottom with a curve. Going up and then down. Let's add a line on the side of the mouth to separate out the teeth. And we'll cross this like a T. And then we'll fill in the bottom corners. Let's go back to the center, step down, draw a short line going across the lower lip. Let's connect the inside of the brow with a straight line to the inside of the helmet. And then from the side, we're just going to curve this up around the eye and then come down the side. Let's go back over towards the left side and straight down, and we'll just bend that in underneath the eye. Let's draw two straight lines coming all the way down towards the bottom of the helmet. And then we'll close off the chin. On the left side, let's step up. Just going to tuck the head in underneath, coming down and then up. Now we're going to tuck the beard and mustache in underneath the nose. On the left, let's step down, curve this out, and then down in behind the helmet. From the bottom corners of the helmet, draw a straight angled line going up and out towards the side. Pull this straight up along the side of the helmet, going up to right about there. And then we'll bend those two wings along the side of the head, going out and then bending that up. Let's pull this back down and in underneath that curve. Coming down and then bending that in. Let's add that trim along the side. From this point, curve down and bend that in, and then come straight down towards the bottom. Now from here, we're going to work our way along the top of the brow. From this top point, let's step down, draw a straight angle line coming down and in, aiming towards the eye. Curve this up and in towards the middle. And we'll curve this in and then down in the center. Now we're going to close off the top of the head. From this point, let's step out. We're going to draw a large half circle. Go all the way up towards the top of the helmet. Just going to round this out. Go across and then bring that down on the right side. Let's add two lines coming down the middle. From the very top, let's move over toward the left. Draw a straight line coming down. Move over towards the right and do the same thing, pulling the pen towards us. And then from these two top points, curve this out and then up. Now from here, we're going to layer the hair in behind the head. Let's start over on the left side. Start with a curve going around and just bending that in. Curve this back out towards the left. Let's add a curve coming in and then up. And we'll create an overlap. Stepping down, come in and up underneath the head. Let's line up the top over on the right side. Curve this out and then down. And we're at a point. Just curving this back out. Come down and then bend that in. From the bottom of this curve, go around, bend that in. Taper that back up towards the top. And I'm going to add one more point. Coming down and in. And just pull that back up underneath the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We start by drawing two circles underneath the head. Let's start over on the left side. Draw that first circle, going all the way around, and back up. Let's line up the top on the right side. Let's draw the inside of the cape, curving this up and out underneath the head. Now from the side of the circle, curve this out and up underneath the hair. From the inside of the circle, we're going to draw a V, coming down towards the middle and back up. And we'll go back out to the side and curve the body, going out and then down towards the hips. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. And then we'll add some more detail to the body. Let's start from that center point, come straight down towards the bottom. Let's go underneath the circles, draw a straight angle line coming in, and we'll pull that straight down. Let's add two smaller circles on either side. Let's start on the left, and we'll line this up on the right, drawing that same size circle. Let's continue working our way down towards the bottom of the feet. In the center, we step down and add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, going out and down towards the same height. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. Let's go back over toward the left side and draw the top of the foot. And draw a half circle going up. Just going to pull this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and close off the side of the leg. Let's start from the left hip, curve this out, and then bend that down on top of the foot. Let's add that thick sole on the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across towards the heel. Now you want to go halfway along the inside of the leg and draw the edge of the boot. So starting right here, start with a straight angle line going up and out. Angle this down, aiming towards the foot. And pull this up and out towards the side of the leg. Let's add a trim along the side of the leg. From the hip, step in, follow that same curve of the leg coming all the way down towards the boot. Now from here, we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the hammer. So we start on the side of the hair, start by curving the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb, going up and then down. Round up the tip of the thumb and pull that back up. And we'll add the edge of the palm, coming down and in. Let's wrap 3 fingers around the handle, starting from the side of the thumb. Start with a half oval, going out and back in. Step down on the outside, draw another oval, tucking this up underneath the thumb. And we'll do that one more time. Now we want to layer the handle in behind the fingers. Starting at the bottom, draw 2 straight angled lines, coming down. Close off the bottom with a curve. Let's follow these 2 lines going up above the hand. So we'll start with the outside going up, and then the inside. Let's draw a straight line going across the bottom. Go up at an angle toward the top of the hammer. And we'll close off the top. Let's add a bevel on the side of the hammer. From the top corners, angle this down and out. And then from the bottom, we'll go up and out. And then close off the side with a straight line. Let's add some texture inside the handle. Start from the top right, come down and out. Continue all the way down towards the bottom. And then we'll add that loop along the bottom. Starting from the bottom left, curve down and out. Round up the bottom. Go up and bend that back in. Let's trace that loop along the inside. Leaving an even space gap all the way around. Now we're going to go back up to the wrist and close off the cuff. Curve this in, around the fingers, and then bend that out in behind the handle. And then from the inside of the palm, curve the arm coming in and up behind the side of the body. Let's split the arm in half, starting halfway along the bottom of the arm, curve this up and out in behind the hair, and we'll continue along the top. Now let's line up the inside of the arm over on the right side, curve the right arm going out and then down towards the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. And we'll wrap 3 fingers along the bottom, starting underneath the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, step down, curve this out and then up, step down again, curve the 3rd finger going around, bend the arm coming up and in behind the hair, and continue in between towards the body. Let's separate the cuff, starting from the top of the thumb, go out and bend that up, and then halfway along the inside of the arm, draw that same curve, going towards the outside. Let's add some texture inside the upper half of the arm. Starting from the inside, just draw a straight angle line coming down and in, and leave a gap, and we'll just continue this all the way towards the outside of the arm. And then we'll go in the opposite direction. Starting from the inside, just going across those lines, work our way towards the outside of the arm. Let's do the same thing on the left arm. Starting up here, some lines, and continue along the bottom. And we'll go in the opposite direction, starting from the bottom, just working our way up. And now we're going to layer the cape in behind the body. Let's start underneath the left arm. Start by curving down and out in behind that loop. Continue in between. Now on the outside, we're just going to bend the cape going out and then down. Let's bend the cape along the bottom. We'll go up and down in behind the foot. Let's line this up on the inside, going across and then up. Let's go all the way over towards the right side, curve the cape going out and then down. Now I'm just going to pull this back up underneath the right hand, bending this up and in. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Thor. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.